Hello everyone, welcome to the Geo Ecologist. I'm Dr. Krishnanand, and you know that every year we launch our answer writing test series after the prelims examination in UPSC. So this is the time when we announce it. So the announcement is that we have started with registration process and it's for 15 seats as usual. You know that we do personal mentoring for less number of students so that we can devote time. So this year also we are doing it for 15 students on first come first serve basis, and registrations are open till 24th of June 2024. So if you are a UPSC aspirant who is done with prelims examination and is going to write mains examination with geography optional, you're most welcome to join my test series, which is going to be on personal mentoring basis. And let me take you to the highlights of this particular course. So as you can see, this is our answer writing course, which is test series for this particular examination, that is 2024 geography optional mains examination. Now if you see here, the important guidelines is given here. So let's talk about guidelines one by one. So important guidelines, the first is that every aspirant must have UPSC style answer booklet at their home, because this is an online class. So you must have your own answer writing booklet where you'll be doing all the answer writing practices. Then you should have a stable internet connection and Zoom app installed in your laptop or phone, because we are going to connect on Zoom live for classes. And most of our classes and discussions are held after 6:30 onwards in the evening. So it's going to be an evening class mostly. The test begins at about say 7 p.m. normally, or as per convenience of the students. Now, these sectional tests that we do are going to be 18 sectional tests. So each section of geography is going to be covered in details, and one test will be 30 minutes. Means basically you will have to write 3 answers of 10 minutes each out of the 4 questions given. So that will be a 50 marks test for 18 sectional tests. And then you have to scan the sheet, send it as PDF to the group, and then we'll have the evaluation and discussion on the next day before the next test. That is how we do it. And remember, we are going to cover the entire paper 1 and paper 2 before 15th of August, and also the recordings of the same discussions and evaluation alongside the answer you have got, and all the other students answer as well. We'll be putting it into a drive and we'll share you the Google Drive for your download as well. Now, one important thing here is that my support will always be there even if the course is over, for those students who have registered for the course till examination. So that is very important. That's why I say this is a personal mentoring course. So what you need to do is that, remember, register fast, because it's a limited seat course. We have only 15 seats. We don't take more than 15 students for personal mentoring, because then I'm not able to devote time to those people. So orientation program we have kept on 25th June, that is coming 25th, and test will start on July 1. So between 25th and the 1st July is the time period for your orientation and preparation before you actually start attempting sectional tests from July 1. So for registration and query, this is the contact number, my WhatsApp number, and also the Google form for registration is given. The link is given in the description of this video, so you can check it yourself. Now, what is important is this tentative schedule that we have made. So every week we have 3 tests, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that is for the tentative schedule. It may change as per the convenience of the students later on as well. So we start with human geography first. So we will begin with perspectives, then go into population settlement, economic geography, then you have the regional, then you have models and theories, then we have geomorphology, and so on and so forth. So the maximum time span that we look for is this particular 15th of August. So after 15th of August, we won't have test, but I'll be there for you for any discussions and query after the test series is done. So I hope that this clarifies how we are going to do it. And this schedule will be given to you once you send me your query on WhatsApp with your names and details. So now the last question to be addressed is, who all are eligible to take this test series? See, even if you have done prelims not too well, and if you're a borderline case, still you have to prepare. You can still join me. And even if you're preparing for the next year, you can still join me. But major thrust is for people who are secure on their prelims this year, and they are definite after checking the different answers, different keys from different places online, and they're sure that they're going to score more than 90 or 95 roughly this year. That is for GS paper. So remember, if you feel that you're confident and you're sure about, writing writing the mains examination in 2024, you must join our course and get going by the next week. So all the best wishes, and for any further query, I've given you my WhatsApp number. Contact me directly and get clarification if you don't get clarification in the Google form which is given below. In the Google form, the fee is also mentioned and all the details are mentioned, so you can check for yourself. All the best wishes. Hope to see you in answer writing course. Take good care.